In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a trial balance in Xero. This is an essential process that helps you ensure your accounts are accurate and balanced, providing a snapshot of your financial situation. Let's dive into the details and get you set up. First things first, when you're looking at your Xero dashboard, your focus should be drawn to the top bar. Here, you'll see the option labeled Reporting. Go ahead and click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various categories and tools you'll use frequently, so it's a great idea to familiarize yourself with its layout. Once you've clicked on Reporting, you'll find a list of all available reports. However, for now, we're interested in accessing more specific reports. To do that, look for the option called All Reports. Clicking on All Reports will take you to a more comprehensive list, displaying all the reporting features Xero has to offer. Now that you're on the All Reports page, it's time to scroll down a bit. Keep scrolling until you reach a section labeled Taxes and Balances. This part is crucial as it houses our main focus today, the Trial Balance Report. You'll find it listed under this section, and it's something you'll come back to frequently when reviewing your financial statements. Once you locate the Trial Balance option, simply click on it to run the report. This action will bring up your trial balance, showing all ledger account totals from your chart of accounts for a specific period. It's essentially your financial statements in a summary form, listing all account balances, and is vital for ensuring everything adds up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully run a trial balance in Xero. This straightforward process can make a world of difference in managing your financial records. It's important to regularly check your trial balance to ensure that your accounts are correct and balanced. An accurate trial balance serves as the foundation for your financial reports, helping you make informed business decisions. That wraps up our step-by-step tutorial for today. Remember, the reporting feature in Xero is a powerful tool, and exploring it further can open up a deeper understanding of your business finances. If you found this helpful, consider staying updated with regular checks on your finances. It's a small task that can lead to significant insights and peace of mind. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting with Xero.